3, 2, 1.
What's up everyone, Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, aka the coolest place to be in crypto. That sounded terribly lame. I will never use that again, but I am going to do something in this video that's unlike me. I'm going to make a prediction and take it or leave it. I'm going to throw it out there. I think we're going to the moon. I think Litecoin is going to the moon. And you can take that to the bank. Because I think one way or another, I'm right. I never said when it's going to the moon. I mean, we might see $50 before it goes to the moon. But I'm going to make another prediction. And don't hold this against me if I'm wrong, but I'm getting more and more the feeling that we're not going to be revisiting this even this $100 range. And I'll tell you why in this video, and I could be completely wrong, and if I am wrong, I'll do a video and I'll show this video to document how wrong I was. But first off, let's look at the daily. One thing that really just kind of sticks out, if you look at this entire screen, there's something that really it says something. We obviously had this run up and we've been in this downtrend, and we're trying to figure out where's the bottom, when can we call this correction over. So through this downtrend, you notice how low the volume was, because typically even on a sell-off in a downtrend, you don't need high volume. And I specifically remember this this first big drop, and then we hit 200 or whatever, and we started going back up, and I think a lot of people, including myself, were like, okay, that correction's over, we're going to start heading back up. And we did actually start heading back up, and we had another run up to like 300. And I think in a lot of people's minds, we're kind of like, all right, we're back in the game, we consolidated, we're chilling at least above 250. But one thing to keep an eye on, and one thing I noticed, is just volume. Even in this run up, this run back up, look how weak this volume is. It's just weak. Now, we have a lot of people calling this area that we just kind of formed the bottom, the reversal of this downtrend. And nobody knows if it is or not. However, look at the volume here. And that's way more typical of a reversal in a downtrend, is that boost of high volume. Especially, we've been talking about this double bottom and wondering if we'll see another bottom. So that's the first thing. The second thing, really, if we just kind of go, we can check out the 4 hour, and we can take note of this double bottom that we have here. But I'm wondering, and we'll see soon, and this is what's cool about this, we'll find out soon. Could we have really a higher low there? Because we have these lower lows that have continued, and this might be a higher low that we're forming at, and we can see it on the 4 hour. And this is kind of my prediction, if you want to call it a prediction. I think we're going to break above this trend line here soon, and I think we're going to make at least another run at the 170, 175 resistance. And if we do, if we touch that for a third time here, in the coming days or whatever, I think we're going to break above it. I never make predictions. I don't like making predictions. I think I'm only doing it because it's fun, and it makes it more exciting for all of us to watch together. So let's do that. Let's watch to see if I can be right or wrong. But you're really seeing this supportive volume, and I think that's probably the reason why I can see it. If we're going to go one way or another, I can see this, this bottom, this higher low, and I could see us breaking. And finally, what we're really looking for ultimately is to break this upper trend line, right? And what we're really looking for is to form this higher low and higher high. Sorry. And that's what we're looking for. So the question is, are we going to do it? We have these continued lower highs that just keep happening over and over again. And if we can break it and form a higher high, it's an awesome sign. And I think that's what's going to happen next. I don't think we're going to revisit here. So I could be doing a video tomorrow, February 12th, 2018, on how wrong I was. And if I do that video, you better believe I'm going to be buying me some Litecoin in these buy zones, because they're there and they are a possibility. Don't get me wrong. Just figured I'd throw a nice little prediction out there. Let's have some fun with it, right? Otherwise, we're just going to be just watching the chart. Why not have some fun? But I think we're coming to a critical area. So let's see what happens. Let me know your thoughts, your predictions. If you agree, if you disagree, if you want to see me fail in my predictions, that's not cool. But let me know. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you're enjoying your Sunday. I'll see you in the next video, and God bless.